Once upon a time, in a cozy little world filled with stardust and dreams, there lived a cheerful girl named Hannah who had a very unusual problem: 100 magical hiccups. The first hiccup tickled, a tiny bubble of surprise that made Hannah giggle. Then came another and another, each one a little adventure. As the hiccups gathered, Hannah discovered they weren't just any hiccups, they were magical. The first one made her hair sprout ribbons of rainbow candy. The second turned her shoes into squeaky, bouncing frogs. It was 100 tiny spells, each more wonderful than the last. Worried, Hannah tried everything to stop them. She held her breath until her cheeks puffed out like balloons. Hic! And a flurry of sparkly butterflies fluttered from her mouth. She drank water upside down, which only caused a shower of chocolate raindrops to fall around her. Hic! Suddenly, her nose turned into a button that played a sweet, tinkling melody. Hannah went into the garden. She tried every strategy she knew. First, she tried to scare the hiccups away. She made her silliest, scariest face in the mirror, but the hiccups only turned her reflection into a giggling gnome. Hic! Then, as the hiccups got stronger, she tried her favorite remedies. She asked her teddy bear for help. Hannah hugged her bear as tight as she could. Hic! Her bear sprouted a fluffy cape. She then went to her window and looked at the moon, hoping to find some peace of mind. Each hiccup became a delightful transformation. With every hic, the world around her became a little more whimsical. The trees started giggling and the flowers winked their colorful petals. The hiccups carried her through a world of endless, quiet delights. She found herself floating in a sea of cotton candy, riding on the back of a friendly, hiccuping dragon, and even having a dance with stars. As the 100th hiccup arrived, it felt different. It wasn't a surprise, it was a gentle, warm hug of a feeling. As the last hiccup echoed away, the giggling settled. Hannah was no longer hiccuping. The magical hiccups were gone, replaced by a peaceful quiet. The candy ribbons in her hair turned back to ordinary hair, the frog shoes unbounced, and the musical button nose returned to normal. Hannah lay down in her bed, her heart full of the day's happy hiccups. Her eyes started to feel heavy, and as the moon shone through her window, she drifted off to sleep, dreaming of the day's adventures. Did you enjoy the magical adventure? Tell us your favorite hiccup transformation in the comments below. Sweet dreams, everyone!